Hello friends! Welcome back to Tiny Hearts Grove. Today we're going to meet some very special letters, the vowels. Can you say vowels? Great job! There are 5 vowels in the alphabet. Let's meet them one by one. A, E, I, O, U. This is A. A says A, like in apple. Can you say A? Wonderful! Let's try a word. A is for apple. Next is E. E says E, like in elephant. Say E with me. Perfect! E is for elephant. Here comes I. I says I, like in igloo. Let's say I together. Nice! I is for igloo. Now let's meet O. O says O, like in octopus. Can you say O? Great! O is for octopus. And our last vowel is U. U says A, like in umbrella. Say A with me. Amazing! U is for umbrella. Let's remember the vowels we met today. A, apple. E, elephant. I, igloo. O, octopus. U, umbrella. Can you say all the vowels with me? A, E, I, O, U. You did it! Now it's your turn. I'll show you a picture and you guess which vowel it starts with. Ready? 1. Apple. Which vowel? Yes, A. 2. Elephant. Which vowel? Correct, E. 3. Igloo. Which vowel? You got it, I. 4. Octopus. Which vowel? Great, O. 5. Umbrella. Which vowel? Amazing, U. You are vowel superstars. Thank you for learning with me today. You met all 5 vowels and practiced their sounds. Your reading journey is off to a wonderful start. See you next time in Tiny Hearts Grove. Bye-bye, friends.